Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Abuela and I'm here to introduce you what is thermodynamics and what are the 4 laws of thermodynamics.
Let's go!
What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the study of heat, temperature, and energy relationships. It deals with how energy is transferred and transformed in physical systems, particularly how heat energy relates to other forms of energy and work. The field is crucial for understanding a wide range of scientific and engineering phenomena, from the operation of engines to the behavior of chemical reactions. The zeroth law of thermodynamics, which states that if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other, isn't directly involved in how an air conditioner works. The zeroth law establishes the concept of temperature as a consistent and measurable property, which is a foundational concept used in understanding the process within air conditioner, but it doesn't describe a specific mechanism with the device itself. First law of thermodynamics, law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. The total energy of an isolated system remains constant. Burning wood, the chemical energy stored in the wood is converted into heat and light energy. The total energy remains the same, it's just changed form. Second law of thermodynamics, the total entropy of an isolated system can only increase over time or remain constant in ideal cases where the system is in a steady state or undergoing a reversible process. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness. A cup of hot coffee left on a table will eventually cool down. The heat energy transfers to the surroundings, increasing the overall entropy of the system. The coffee becomes more disordered temperature, more uniform distribution of energy, while surroundings become slightly more disordered. Third law of thermodynamics. The entropy of a perfect crystal of a pure substance approaches zero as the temperature approaches absolute zero. As the temperature of a perfect crystal approaches absolute zero, the atoms become perfectly ordered, and there is minimal vibrational energy. This corresponds to minimum entropy. In reality, achieving absolute zero is impossible, but the principle explains that at extremely low temperatures, the entropy of a substance approaches zero. The closer you get to absolute zero, the more ordered the substance becomes.